Alright guys, good morning. Today we're going to be going over our Camber kit. It's billet, it's adjustable, S1 belt. Today we're going to be installing it on EF, so going all-wheel drive, 4-door. As you can see guys, it bolts up just like that.
Just like that. With hot tea.
With hot tea. What's in the tea, my youth? Green tea? What I'm saying?
Oh, I gotta give him. Okay, he got coffee. I gotta make sure he got his
food. Yeah, feed him before he pass out. So guys, this is the EF 4-door that's going all-wheel drive. And quick update. Drive shaft is in stage 2. We're gonna give you more update on that on YouTube coming up shortly. S1 is going to show you, because a lot of times guys thread this out all the way to the edge, or thread that one all the way to the edge. You must have it like proportionate, right? Like,
yeah, you do. So usually when we do this is we put this all the way in like this, and then when this thing stays on like that, the only adjustment you got to make is hold this real quick. Hold that part. The only adjustment you should do is this right here.
The middle, right?
The middle. See how both of them goes out?
Yeah.
Because you don't want it like this.
All the way.
You don't want it like this. You don't want one all the way in and one all the way out. That's not the proper way to adjust.
You need to make it even top, bottom, and then spin. Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't want it
like this. You don't want it like that. See how when you start spinning it, one's more than the other.
Yeah.
So
first you make it all the way real close, even, and then you spin the middle, right?
Yep. That's it.
And that's it guys, really simple. Next we're going to be showing you our billet adjustable toe kit coming right up.
Alright guys, there you go.
That's it guys. Check it out.
Why would I throw in the towel? I just got in my bag. I don't make no mistakes. I'm coming for mine, and there ain't no one taking my place. Listen, I've taken some L's. Yeah, that means I lived and I learned. Now I got some money to burn. Why would I throw in the towel? I just got in my bag. I don't make no mistakes. I'm coming for mine, and there ain't no one taking my place. Listen, I've taken some L's. That means I lived and I learned. Now I got some money to burn. Why would I throw in the towel? I just got in my bag. Slow the stars, what they calling now? I don't know what they talking about.